To me, the best story about science is the story of gravity. The story begins with Galileo showing that gravity accelerates things at the same rate regardless of their mass. This sets the stage for Newton to deduce that gravity is a force that draws things towards each other. While his equations predict the motions of objects and planets very well, he didn't really have any idea how gravity works. More than 200 years later, Einstein proposed that gravity is not a force but the result of the curvature of space-time. Not only has this insight given us the Big Bang and black holes, it has stood numerous tests, including the recent direct detection of gravitational waves, the ripples of spacetime predicted by Einstein. Why is this the best story about science? Because it is a paragon of how scientific knowledge is created and evolves over time. It illustrates that science is driven by our deep desire to understand the world in which we found ourselves. It shows that new insight is led to by the courage to challenge what is widely accepted and scientists' willingness to change their views based on new evidence. Most important of all, it demonstrates that scientific advancement is a collaborative process that requires scientists' effort through generations. All these are the recurrent motifs in science stories. So how does our story of gravity end after having detected gravitational waves? Like all other stories in science, the story of gravity is to be continued.